Yeah.
Hey, greetings everyone. Yeah, I finally got my iPad at Myers. So I'm going to show you the unboxing now. Yeah, Myers is a department store. Woohoo, my iPad. My first iPad. Woohoo! iPad, mothers. Ooh, iPad. Okay, gonna. Oh, what a nice thing. Oh, I knew. Oh, fuck. It's fine. It's fine. Didn't bleed. It's fine. Woohoo! Unboxing of the iPad. Unboxing my iPad. Woohoo! My baby. It's now gonna open it. Open it. Woohoo! Look at that. Still shiny. I put it down, don't want to drop it because I have butter fingers. Woohoo! iPad. Woohoo! Look at that! I am the winner of the iPad. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, that's about it. The unboxing that I can show you because I haven't got my computer here, so I can't really sync it. But yeah, I'll do part 2 when I get home. So yeah, this is the unboxing for now. Okay, later. Part 2 when I get home. I love it. Look at it. Just got home and I'm gonna sync my new toy. Yep, gonna sync it. Gonna sync my new toy. Gonna sync it.
No monster there. Just
I'm gonna sync it now.
dodgy people around, but not, just there because there is everywhere. Of course, there's lovely people there as well. But there's no monster there, so that's why it's not famous. And it's been a sad few days, hasn't it?
On what grounds?
Well, because for people that heard the show yesterday, they'd be aware that you threw my Irish tin whistle that I bought in Ireland and was really beginning to master. You threw that overboard on the ferry between Belfast and Scotland.
Fine, so it's sad day, but in sadness some find happiness. No, I'm grinning.
Well, I wish I could share you a high spirit Santa, but it was a tragedy, mourned by all. And I just mastered My Heart Will Go On, and I was beginning to master a few more songs on the tin whistle.
Yep.
The haunting melody of the tin whistle was a perfect accompaniment to any trip. I thought, whether you were happy, whether you were sad, the tin whistle had a song. It's usually Amazing Grace, but it had a song for every occasion.
Okay.
The hard thing is, the tragedy is, when you threw away that tin whistle, you threw away my musical outlet, and I have the music in me. I've always thought I have the music in me, and now it's been bottled up inside me, and I'm bloody scared it might just blow up and shoot my nose off or something because I've got too much music in me.
Before this trip, you've never had any instruments?
Ooh, electronic drums.
Yeah, but you never played them before.
There we go, it's here. And we just about to sync it now. So yeah, I'm really tired, not doing much today, but yeah, it's gonna play with my new toy. Yeah,